How to install Notion app on Mac. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can install the Notion app into your Mac, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're gonna be able to find notion.so website links and sign up links in the description of this tutorial. So first of all, what you have to do is log in into your account, and once you have done that, in the top left corner there's going to be your username. You just have to click there, and there you're gonna find at the end of this menu get Mac app. Okay, so I'm gonna click there. This is gonna open a new website. I just need to click on download for Mac OS. This is gonna begin the download, and once you have downloaded, I'm gonna click on it. This is a .dmg, and you have to drag and drop into the applications folder, and that's how you can do it. As you can see, if I go into my apps, at the end I'm gonna have my Notion app. I'm gonna open it, and from here I just have to get my credentials and continue with my Google account. I'm gonna continue with my Google account. And once you have done that, this is going to redirect you into your Notion in order to continue with the process. And that's it. This is my Notion dashboard, but in my Mac as an app. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can install Notion app on Mac OS. Thanks for watching.